Hello there! We are going to learn about scale drawing. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to draw plans according to a given scale and use scale drawing in converting lengths and distances to any scale. Look outside. What do you see? Can you see houses, trees, and stones? How large are they? Can you draw some of these objects on a piece of paper? To draw all these objects that we see daily around us, it requires a type of drawing that is referred to as scale drawing. What is scale drawing? A scale drawing is a drawing that shows a real object with accurate sizes reduced or enlarged by a certain amount. That certain amount is a scale. Take a house for instance. To draw a house on a piece of paper will be difficult because of its large size, except you reduce the scale to the size of the paper. So, when you reduce the size of an object, such as a house, to a specific size, it's called a scale drawing. Look at this example. This house can be drawn to a scale, which means we can reduce the actual size of the house according to a set scale. To draw a house to a scale, we need to specify the scale to which we want to draw. So, what's a scale? A scale is a ratio of how the drawing is related to the actual object. When you draw an actual object on a piece of paper using a set scale, it's called blueprint. So, let's determine our scale. Scale 5 inches ratio 10 feet or 5 inches to 10 feet. What does this mean? It means every 5 inches you measure on paper is equal to 10 feet on the actual object. For instance, if the house on the paper has the length of 8.8 inches, what is the actual height of the house? Let's determine our scale. Our scale is 2 inches to 5 feet, which can be written as 2 inches divided by 5 feet. To get the actual height of the house, we use our scale. Let the actual height of the house be x, since that is our unknown height. Let our scale be 2 inches to 5 feet. So, let the blueprint height be 8.8 inches. So we have 2 inches divided by 5 feet is equal to 8.8 inches divided by x. If we cross multiply, then we have 2 inches divided by 5 feet equal to 8.8 inches over x. So, we have 2 inches multiplied by x and 5 feet multiplied by 8.8 inches. So, we have 2x is equal to 44. Dividing both sides by 2, we have 2x divided by 2 is equal to 44 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go in 2? And how many times does 2 go in 44? X is equal to 22 feet. Therefore, if the height of the blueprint is 8.8 feet, the actual height is 22 feet. Let's take another example. A scale drawing has a scale of 3 inches to 10 feet. Find the actual for each drawing of length 15 inches. Let's identify our scale, 3 inches to 10 feet. Let the actual length be x. Let the given length be 15 inches. 3 inches divided by 10 feet is equal to 15 inches divided by x. Cross multiply the equation. 3 inches multiplied by x and 10 feet multiplied by 15 inches. So we have 3x is equal to 150. Divide both sides by 3. We have 3x divided by 3 is equal to 150 divided by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 50 feet. So, if the length of the blueprint is 15 inches, then the actual length is 50 feet using the given scale. We have come to the end of the lesson. Today, we have learned that a scale drawing is a type of drawing that helps us to draw an object on a piece of paper using a determined scale. The scale could be 2 inches to 10 feet or 5 inches to 40 feet, as the case may be. Scale drawing also helps us to reduce the length of the actual objects to a sizable length that can be drawn on a piece of paper. It's time to test our knowledge. See you in the next lesson.